Hey friends, Floyd Fernbeam here, and these days everybody's going on about why ain't they cured this disease and why ain't they cured that medical problem. So I want to talk to you a little bit about scientific discoveries and how they's made. It usually takes years and years and years of research to cure something, but very often scientific discoveries is made by complete accident. For example, we had a pet rabbit, Mr. Hopsy. We didn't name him that because of his mode of locomotion, but because for some reason he always smelled like Coors Light. Anyhow, so Mr. Hopsy, he had this awful limp. His one back leg, it was just in terrible shape, you know. Poor thing couldn't put no weight on it at all. He was, for all intents and purposes, a three-legged rabbit. He could only hop like in circles, you know, unless it was real windy, and then he could only hop in ovals. Anyhow, I seen in a pet magazine that you could give animals a glucosamine pill, and that might help cure their problems when it comes to like their joints and their tendons. So I thought, well, maybe that'll help Mr. Hopsy's lame little leg get better. So I gave him one pill every night for a couple weeks, and it didn't seem to do no good. He was running the same old limpy circles and ovals like he always done when our nasty one-eyed yellow barn cat would chase him. And when I say the cat had only one eye, it was actually two half eyes, but you know, one eye total. Anyhow, one night I gave Mr. Hopsy his medicine pill, and then my wife Martha Jean said, "You gave him a medicine pill? Well, I gave him one too." So it turns out we accidentally doubled his dose of medicine. Well, the next morning, no more limping rabbit, because he was dead. See, there we made some valuable scientific discovery. One pill was pretty much useless, and two pills was lethal. And as luck would have it, you know, since we knew exactly what killed him, we didn't fret none about eating him. Ain't like he died of like the dysentery or the mange or something, you know. He died of glucosamine, you know, which in small doses is supposed to be good for you. Anyhow, I have rambled on long enough. Have a blessed day, and remember, you always learn from science, even if you don't get the results you want.